Hey, today I'll be showing you guys how to reset your maintenance light on your Volvo XC60. This is for the first gen. This is 2008 to 2016, I believe. On this vehicle, this is the later model, not the earlier model. The earlier model basically has a trip button here that you can reset your trip. On this one, this is the later model. So what we're going to do is a couple components. You are, of course, going to need your key for the vehicle. This is the start button here. We have the OK button here, your toggle to move through the setting, and this is your reset button. So these are some reminders that we might be using in order to get to the screen where we want to do. So the first thing you want to do is, without holding the brake pedal to start the vehicle, you want to get your key and push it once. And at this time, you might see the center screen light up. You might hear your fan turn on and some of the lights of the cluster. So you might be in a different setting. You might be on the service status. I just reset it. I'll be doing that again. So what we want to do is press reset your button till you're here. And then I like to go where it says trip 1. So that's where I want to put it at. So what I want to do next, we're already in position 1. I'm going to be holding this button here. At the same time I keep on holding, I'm not going to let go of this. I'll be holding this till all the lights light up in the dash. So here we go. I'm going to be holding this. I'm not letting go. Now I'm going to hold the start button till all the lights turn on. So as the lights turn on, you'll see everything. I'm still holding the button there. You'll see the little icon message be blinking about 3 times. 1, 2. I usually let go 3. So at the third, I let go this, and you'll hear beep. And then you could confirm. You'll scroll through the information. You go to service, and of course, it'll show you the service interval. So at this time, that's how you reset your maintenance light on this vehicle. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful, make sure you guys hit the like button.